Power play wickets Renuka Singh Thakur. We have all heard that before, right? Renuka runs the show with the ball as India thumb Bangladesh in the first T20I. Welcome to Mutual Fund Sahiya presents the outside view for the review of the series opener.
मार्केट का तो क्या है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे। मैं तो अपने पैसे ऐसे दूर ही रखता हूँ।
तो तू म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना।
और म्यूचुअल फंड्स यहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे।
ऐसे भी म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं जो तेरी तरह मार्केट से दूर रहते हैं।
ये कौन सा म्यूचुअल फंड्स है?
फिक्स्ड इनकम म्यूचुअल फंड्स, ये सिलेक्टिव इंटरेस्ट बेयरिंग कंपनी बॉन्ड्स, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स और मनी मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। इक्विटी मार्केट में नहीं करते। ये रेगुलर रिटर्न्स देते हैं, मतलब रेगुलर इनकम।
म्यूचुअल फंड्स में फिक्स्ड इनकम वाली बात?
करेक्ट।
सही है।
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
India were batting first and Shafali Verma looked in great touch straight away, hitting back-to-back boundaries in the very first over. Then captain Nigar Sultana looked to off spin to trouble Smriti Mandhana, which almost did the trick as Mandhana was topped on one. But in the very next over, Fariya Trishna got rid of Mandhana after cleaning her up, and unfazed Shafali Verma was joined by Yastika Bhatia. Both of them kept the scoreboard ticking, but Bangladesh dropped yet another catch, this time of Shafali Verma at the very last ball of the power play. It was the introduction of leg spinner Rabia Khan that brought an end to Shafali's fiery knock, and Harmanpreet Kaur picked up right where she left in the WPL, finding the gaps of boundaries pretty easily and regularly. On the other hand, Yastika Bhatia's strike rate was lying a little low, even though she was looking to go for the big shots and even finding the boundary at times. But the Bangladesh bowlers, especially the spinners, were there yet again. Fahima Khatun and Rabia got rid of the set batters Harmanpreet and Yastika in back-to-back overs. The cycle repeated as Sajjada Sajeevan, who was on for an India debut, hit a couple of boundaries but then fell to Rabia, who completed a 3-wicket haul. Richa Ghosh then took charge, hitting a 6 and a boundary of the penultimate over, and it seemed like a trademark Richa finish is on the cards. But Marufa Akhtar had different plans. She conceded just 2 runs and picked up 2 wickets. That too of Richa Ghosh and Pooja Vastakar. Marufa and Bangladesh would have surely felt that they have restricted India by not letting them cross the 150 run mark. Before we talk about the second innings, don't forget to subscribe to Women's Cricket Zone and tap the bell icon for all the real-time updates from this series and the world of women's cricket. India were defending 145, and we all know what follows when Renuka Singh Thakur runs up with the ball in the power play. 2 wickets of 2 right-handers with those balls angling in. Deepti Sharma picked up another in the power play, and right after the power play, Pooja Vastakar joined in with a wicket. Bangladesh were completely rocked, the run rate completely stunted, with no boundaries coming between 8th to 14th over, until Nigar Sultana took on Shayaka Patil for a 6 and a 4. And in between all of that, the returning Radha Yadav also got her wicket. You can even say it was simply Nigar Sultana versus the Indian bowlers. The skipper did get to her 7th T20 at 15, but at a very slow rate, and the match was over by then. Pooja Vastakar completed the formalities, and India completed a thumping 44-run win in the first T20I. Where did Bangladesh lose the match? Like Nigar Sultana mentioned in the post-match presentation, they simply didn't have enough runs on the board in the power play in a 146-run chase. So who's my MVP? There were a couple of shouts in my head, both bowlers who picked up 3 for today, but I have to go with Renuka Singh Thakur. Seeing her run right with the ball in the power play has become a pretty common sight now. A wicket of the very 3rd ball of the innings and then another in the 4th over to completely derail Bangladesh's chase. It was all about Renuka's rampage today. That's all from the series opener. This is Nitin Singh signing out from Mutual Fund Sahiya presents The Outside View. But stay tuned as we'll bring you the preview of the second T20I right here tomorrow.